Hello there guys, welcome back. It's Marika. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell button so you are notified whenever I upload a new video, which is once a week or every 2 weeks depending on my schedule for the week. So anyways, I created this eye makeup look from this palette from Colourpop. It's called You Had Me at Hello, and I got this from my BoxyCharm about a year ago, and I haven't used it since I got it from my BoxyCharm, and it's my first time using it. I love the shades on here. They are so very pretty. You can create a sultry look like what I did today, and basically they have like berry tones and gold tones and just pigmented eyeshadows and stuff like that. And I don't know, I kind of like it. I just kind of did my own thing, and I didn't show a lot of how I did my face in this video. I only showed a little bit, but yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with the shade Winning Ticket as my transition shade. And for the next shade, I am using xoxo, and I'm putting it all over my crease. It's such a beautiful berry tone color. And then for my outer crease, I'm using Sparks Fly, and I'm basically doing a wing line but with just a brown eyeshadow. I really loved how I did this, and instead of using like a liquid liner, I used a eyeshadow instead. And then all over my lid, I am using FBO, and it is just such a pretty shade. I wish it was more vibrant or like it was more shimmery or whatever, because it really did not do justice of what's in the camera. And then I'm trying to blend everything out with the Morphe fluffy brush, and then I'm using the knot to put all over my brow bone. And of course, I am prepping my eyelashes, so I'm putting the CoverGirl mascara on my eyelashes, and I'm using the Ardell Demi Wispy in 120 as my falsies. And then I'm going back to xoxo and putting it on my water lash line, and I'm also going over with Sparks Fly, and then together I will blend those two shades together just so there are no harsh lines. And then of course you're gonna put mascara on your lower lashes. Light my inner corner, I'm using the knot. Really love this shade. And then to contour my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild contour stick, and I'm just contouring my face and then blending it out. And I'm using the Airspun powder to kind of sharpen up my contour and baking around my face. And then for my face powder to set everything, I already put foundation and concealer before I started with the video. So I'm just setting everything with the Rimmel face powder. I saw that they came out with more shades of this, which I'm really happy, because this is one of my favorite face powder ever from the drugstore. So I'm really happy that they created more more shades. So then for this blush, I'm just using this random blush, and then to highlight my brow bone and my everything else in my face, I'm using the shade The Knot from the palette. I'm really surprised how pigmented this was on my face, and I'm just so surprised that I put way too much, so I had to blend everything out. And then for my lips, I'm using the Kylie Jenner lip kit, and this is in Exposed. I'm using her lip liner and her liquid lipstick. I haven't used this duo in forever, but yeah, it's really nice and I love it. And that's it for my whole look, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Comment down below what you think. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe. And I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!